Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, August the 28th, 2020. We have here 6 Sudokus: 1 star Sudoku, 2 star Sudoku, 3 star Sudoku, 4 star Sudoku, binary puzzle, and a tectonic. Yes, 6 Sudokus to solve in the additional. But first one, it is a 1 star Sudoku. And before I start, this 1 star Sudoku will be a number 1420. And I always count the printed numbers, digits in the Sudoku. The 1 star has always 27. Let me check if this is correct. We have here 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, plus 2 is 10, 13, 15, plus 4 is 19, plus 3 is 22, plus 3 is equal to 25, and 2 plus 2 is 27. Correct. So let's get started. I see here in the second column 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a pair in the second column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes and there. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And then 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 3 in this third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. Then how about the number 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Yeah. How about the number 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6, I believe. I need a 6 in these 2. No, I cannot cannot continue with the 6. Let me see with another number. The 3 in this row. The 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this third row. 3 in the second row, so in the first row. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for a 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. How about the number? 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 5. I need more digits. How about this big square? 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Now I can continue with the 5. 5 in this row. 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used. I can see. Digit number 3. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this last row for the numbers 1 and 9. We see a 1 here in this big square, so no 1 in that box. 1 should be here and the 9 goes and there. Yeah, 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used. I can see. Digit number 4. I need 1 digit to work easier, to finish easier. I see 1 digit left in this column, should be the number 7. How about the 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 digit left in the last column for the number 8. 8 is missing, yes. And then Yes. One digit left in the second row for the number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 2. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And then 8 and 7. 7 and 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 7 in this row. 2 and 7, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9 is missing. 1 number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. 8 is missing here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle. In the second row. So in the first row. The only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. 7 and 4, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 1 number left in this middle column for the number 7. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 1 number left in this row, middle row for the number 9. And the final number of this big square for the number 2. Yes, finished in 12 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute. Yes, in a minute, because I will continue with the second Sudoku, and it will be a 2-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.